Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Mathematics class with Jayamala. The topic for today is HCF and LCM. So, the first question striking in your mind will be, what is HCF? So, here it is. The greatest number, which is the common factor of two or more given number, is called HCF, or highest common factor, or GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor. HCF and GCD are same, both are same. How to find out HCF, my dear students? There are some methods to find out HCF. By factorization method, by prime factorization method, and division method. So let us see some method for finding out HCF. Now let us see, my dear student, factorization method. How to find out HCF by factorization method. Let us take example. Find the HCF of 12 and 18. Now, how to find out factors of 12? Factors of 12 means 12 comes in which table? 12 comes in 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table and 12. So same way we find factors of 18. 18 comes in 1 table, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now these are the factors of 12 and 18. Now here we have to take next step, that is common factors of 12 and 18. Now what are the common factors of 12 and 18? 1 is common in both 12 and 18. 2 is common in both 12 and 18. 3 is common in both 12 and 18, and 6 is also common in 12 and 18. So together we will write all common factors, that is 1, 2, 3 and 6. So here highest common factor, which is the highest number here, my dear student, that is 6. 6 is the highest common factor. So therefore the highest common factor is 6. Now we'll see another method. Now next method is prime factorization method. How to find out HCF by prime factorization method. Let us take one example. Find the HCF of 12 and 18. Now here we are going to find out prime factors of 12 and 18. Before that, by factorization method, we found the factors of 12 and 18. Here we are going to find out prime numbers of 12 and 18. So 12 comes in 2 table. 2 is prime number. So 2 6 are 12. Then 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Now same way take 18. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Here we can write 12 as 2 into 2 into 3 and 18 as 2 into 3 into 3. So what are the common factors here? Here in both cases 2 is common and 3 is also common. So 2 into 3 is common. So you will get 2 into 3, that is 6. Therefore HCF is 6. Now we'll see next method, that is division method. How to find out HCF by division method. Let us take one example. Find the HCF of 12, 18 and 20. Now divide 18 by 12. You will get 12 ones are 12. Subtract 12 from 18. You will get 6. Make 6 as a divisor and what divisor you have taken, you make it as a dividend and divide that dividend by divisor. You will get 6 2s are 12 and remainder is 0. Now take third number and divide that by the divisor 6. 6 3s are 18. That is your remainder is 2. Now take same divisor as a dividend and what remainder you got, you take it as a divisor. 2 3s are 6 and your remainder is 0. So here HCF of 12, 18 and 2 is 20 is 2. Now we have seen how to find out HCF. Now we'll see what is LCM. LCM means least common multiple. The least common multiple of two or more natural numbers is the least natural numbers, that is a multiple of the given numbers. There are some methods to find out LCM. We'll see some methods. By prime factorization method, by listing all multiples. Now we'll see first method, prime factorization method. We'll find out LCM by prime factorization method. We'll take one example, 16, 24, 36 and 54. When we find out LCM of any number, we take all numbers together like 16, 24, 36 and 54. But in case of HCF, when we find out HCF, that time we take only separate number to find out their HCF. But in LCM, we take numbers all together. So 16, 24, 36, 54 goes in two table. Now 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24, 2 18s are 36, 2 27s are 54. Now again this we divide by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 27 as it is. Why? Because 27 doesn't come in two table. So we keep 27 as it is. Now again we divide this by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 9 and 27 doesn't comes in two table. So we keep 9 and 27 as it is. Now we divide this by 3. 2 as it is because 2 doesn't come in 3 table. So 2 will be like that. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. Now we divide again by 3. 2 as it is. 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Then we divide by 3. 2 as it is. 1, 1 and 1. Now we divide 2 by 2 so that we will get 1, 1, 1, 1. Now LCM of 16, 24, 36, 54 together will give us 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 2. Then 6 4s are 24, 9 2s are 18. 24 into 18 will give you 432. So 432 is the LCM. Now we'll see another method, listing all multiples. Here multiples means that numbers table, table of that number. If we will take one example, find LCM of 12 and 18. Here multiples of 12 are means we should know 12 table. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48 and so on. Same way we find multiples of 18. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, and so on. So what are the common multiples of 12 and 18? Here 36 is common in both. 72 is also common in both. Now we write 36 and 72 and so on. Here we are finding least common multiple. Here it means least means smallest common multiple. Least common multiple. That is 36 is the least common multiple in 12 and 18. So therefore LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. So my dear students, if you like my video, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.